Welcome to another exciting excursion into the world of finance, especially cryptocurrencies. And I do consider each of you a friend, even though we may never meet. Who knows, maybe we will. I do appreciate all the feedback, and please click the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe. So today, I really am very concerned about a lot of you because we live in a world of low interest rates. And you're not getting a return on your investments. They're nearly 0%. Even in the so-called high yield savings accounts, they pay like 0.5. But at the same time, a lot of you are interested in cryptocurrencies as well. But like a lot of people have said, oh, cryptocurrencies don't pay a yield. It's the same issue with gold. But today I'm going to be telling you there's innovation even in the world of cryptocurrencies and interest rates. What I think is great is the company Gemini will be allowing people to lend out their crypto, whether it's Ethereum, whether it's Bitcoin Cash, basically any of the cryptocurrencies that are available for sale on the Gemini network. You'll be able to loan out for around 3%, but they claim it's up to 7.4%, but that's on some cryptocurrency that I've never heard of. It's a bit more rare. This is available in all 50 states, but only also if you're a customer in the United States. And the great thing about this is that it actually shows you that there's a future in finance where we're actually moving more towards an era where you can actually generate a really good return on your money compared to what you can get in a bank accounts. Because not only does cryptocurrency have a tendency to go up over time, I think it's going to be even more cool when people are getting a great interest rate. That's about 100 times what you can get at the bank. 3% is an amazing return. And this pretty much shows you that the old way of finance working is really gone. This is a completely different era. The rules have changed. People are not going to put up with low interest rates. I think that the fact that Gemini is allowing people to make 3% on their cryptos is really a huge move in the right direction. Let me see what my brother thinks. And as a sign of innovation, that people can get about 3% on their cryptos.
It is. One thing that I think needs to be fixed is having some banks put up collateral, because I think it is more risky when they have no collateral. So if they go bankrupt or something, you're just a non-secure debtor. I mean, a creditor at that point. And
that's a good point. They also, the one complaint I have is that they don't really explain why do people want to borrow crypto. Because think about it this way: would you want to get a mortgage or a car loan in crypto? No way, because maybe you originally maybe last year you borrowed a cheap car and you borrowed one Bitcoin, and then you have to pay that one Bitcoin back. Now it's a year later, it's up 300 or 400%. That doesn't sound like a good deal as a borrower. So I think there needs to be a better explanation why people are borrowing crypto. I have my own theory. Now, I don't know if this is true or not, but I suspect that the borrowers are people who are shorting crypto. But I don't think that a lot of these places want to explain that that's the reason why people would want to borrow. Because if you think about it, who would want to borrow crypto? It's not real. It doesn't make sense. If you want to buy it, that makes sense. You want it and it goes up. But if you're borrowing it, there seem to be some issues with that. I just kind of curious about why anyone would want to borrow. Does any other theory other than they're trying to short it? Or maybe derivatives, they have to, for whatever reason, they have to.
It's so that there's more liquidity. Maybe some institution might need it quickly, and they might only need it for a minute.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Well, that's fine. For liquidity purposes, yeah, that's fine. As long as it isn't something absurd, like I don't think anyone would want to be borrowing it for to run their business, borrow the crypto. That just wouldn't make sense, because you would end up spending a lot of money borrowing it. But if it's for liquidity, things like that, making sure the whole market works fine. I think that's good. Anyway, I think we discovered this, and let me know if in the comments below. For all I know, I think one of you may even say, hey Michael, you're wrong, and I'm always welcome to being wrong if you actually have a better theory about this. Click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.